Journey of the Creator, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a two-colored snake knot bracelet. So to get started, you're going to need a pair of scissors, a tape measure, a lighter, and 2 colors of 5 feet of paracord. So I already have my 2 ends melted together, as you can see here, and I'm just going to take the left side and I'm going to take and make a loop. Left strand, you're going to take it over and around the right strand. So now you're going to take your right strand, you're going to take it around and over the left strand and through the left loop. Now you can tighten this knot up and move on to the next one. I forgot to mention that when you're tightening that first knot, that if you are doing 2 colors, then to make sure that that melted end is kind of hidden in between the knots. So once again, you're going to take your left strand, take it around the right strand, and then take your right strand and take it around the left strand and then through the left loop. Tighten that knot up and then continue these knots until you reach your desired bracelet length. Okay, so I finished tying all my knots and now I'm just going to tie a diamond knot. Sorry if this is very clear, but I do have another tutorial on how to tie a diamond knot and I'll have it linked down in the description. Sorry, I'm out of focus here. I did not realize that when I was recording. Okay, so I finished tying the knot and now I'm going to tighten it up and then we can finish the bracelet. So I finished tightening my knot, so now I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the ends off and then singe it with my lighter. yeah guys, that is how you tie a snake knot bracelet. If you guys enjoyed the video and you want to see more, like, subscribe, and comment down below what other knot you think I should do next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!